Jai Shri Ram everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you friends? I hope you all guys are doing definitely fit and fine. So friends, in today's videos we are going to talk about our most commonly asked question that you might face in front of the people is tell me something about yourself. Okay friends, I can say you can say that is a self introduction. Okay, means it means how will you introduce yourself with in front of the pupils. Okay, there are 7 places. Okay, where might ask this question. Okay, such as formal places. The formal places are where job interview. Okay, or the boy go to their school and college, and he is new in school and ask teacher ask them, tell me something about yourself and introduce yourself, because you are in new in school. Okay, so these are formal places. In some informal places, in what is the informal places such as your family event. Okay, as a sister, brother, friends wedding ceremony, or as other occasion, family occasion. So these are informal places. Okay, and such places, school places, such there teachers sitting in and asks the question, so many question of the students. So this is, yeah, a middle class cases. Okay, formal, informal and middle. So there are different type of places. Okay, where this is a common, where asked these types of question. Okay, this is a common question asked by the student, asked by the teacher, by the interviewers, by the your family get together party. Okay, so these are these are normal question. So friends, here I am going to share with you some question answer list that makes sure you have a answer of these types of question. Okay, because when someone asks these types of question and you feel hesitate to give the answer because you have not already prepared it. Okay, so if you give the answer, you can say my name and my, so if you fumble a lot of it's and your impression is not going good, okay, to others. So first you ready this question answer. Okay, so it is a very good method. This is a common question. Okay, ready to give the answer these types of questions without any fumble, without any hesitation, without any scared. So friends, let's get into the topic. The first sample is here. When a boy go to the school and teacher asks the question, tell me something about yourself, and the boy or girl go to the stage and says something about itself, herself. So here is a sample. Hello sir, hello ma'am. Yeah, you can say good morning sir, good morning ma'am. Thank you for sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity. My name is Raja and I am in class 6. My school name is Composite School Dhimarpura, Badagaon, Jhansi. I study in class 6, and I there are 4 family members in my family. I have 1 younger brothers and 1 elder sister. My hobby is reading a book and playing different types of game, and I like to help others pupils. So that's all about me. Thank you. Here is a other sample of why a man go to go to his interview. Okay, so ma'am, hello sir, hello ma'am. My name is Raja. I am from Jhansi. I am pursuing postgraduate. I have done 6-month basic computer course. I am a fresher. My hobby is listening to music. That's all about me. Thank you. And the third is informal way. When you go to the your friends family wedding ceremony or other occasion in your related with your relatives, with your any other friends. Okay, you go in your formal way occasion. Okay, and where and there someone asked you in question which is related to your introduction. Okay, so you can complete your conversation in English without any hesitation. If you have already ready to give the answer on their question. Okay, so let's get to the informal way question. Okay, what is your name? My name is Rita. And what is your name? You can repeat the question. Okay, because you want to give a conversation. Okay, and what is your name? My name is Raja. Okay, and okay, where are you from? I am from Jhansi. And where are you from? Okay, I am in Patna. Okay, how old are you? I am 25 years old. And how old are you? I am 30 years old. Okay. Or what do you do? Are you a student or do any work? Oh, I am a student. Oh, no, no, I am doing my banking work. Okay. What does your father do? My father is a doctor. And what does your father do? My father is a banker. Okay. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. And how many siblings do you have? I have one siblings. And how many siblings do you have? I have two siblings. Okay. What do you like? I like watching the movie and reading the books. And what do you like? I like playing the football. Okay. Which kind of movie and books like you most like? I like thriller and thrill movie and books. And what kind you game you like? I like football, cricket. Okay. So friends, there are some question and answer list. Okay, when someone asks you a question, you give the answer and just repeat the same question. Okay, this is called the conversation. Okay, when you go to talk in English in others, this is very important to give answer and repeat the question. So friends, here are some question answer list. Here are some sample formal way, informal way, and college या school going boys. So friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and subscribe the channel if you have not already subscribed it. Okay, and let me know in the comment box how did you like the video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.